Stop using MidJourney because in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about an AI image generator through which you can generate images like anime, cartoonish, vector, realistic, and that's for absolutely free. So without a further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So we are at the homepage of PicLumen AI. So here you can just click on generate for free. So after you log in, you can just see different options over here like community, create, collections. You can also download the app if you want in the mobile, or you can also change the language like English, German, Francese, Italiano, etc. As we can see over here in community, we have different images that have been generated by different people like Christmas welcoming card. You can see a pillow over here with New York buildings pictures on it. You can also see some food ad promotions over here, right? And you can also see some futuristic and realistic pictures. So let's make images like these of our own. So over here you can describe your image. Alright, so here we have got different models. As you can see, we have PicLumen R to V1, PicLumen Realistic V2, and many other styles. This AI tool also contains the Flux Schnell model, which is a really good model. So here you can see different statistics of these models. Alright, so over here we have our aspect ratios. So in the mobile phones, you can choose these aspect ratios, and in the desktop and laptop versions, you can use these variations. So I'm gonna be choosing 16:9. Over here, you have to select how many images you want for your prompt. So this guidance scale emphasizes the power of your prompt on the picture. For the next, we have the steps. As you can see, it determines the number of steps used to create the image. More steps can lead to more detailed images. It means the more the steps, the more better the images are. So let's just give it a prompt and check. So over here, I have inserted the prompt regarding Johnny Depp. So let's see what it can create with this prompt. You can just click over here. Alright, so our images are being generated. Alright, so as you guys can see, now my pictures are generated. You guys can see the clarity and how stunningly beautiful these pictures are. Alright, so let me give you some more examples. Alright, so I have inserted my next prompt. Let's generate this prompt. Alright, so the generations have been completed. So as you can see, the images looks really good. You can also have a look in this picture. The details and each and everything is really good. So from here, you can just download the image if you want. So I'm going to be just downloading it from here. You can add this to your collection. You can also share this with your friends. And you can also remove the background from this image. So let's click on this. So it'll take a little while. Alright, so the background of our image has been removed. You can just see that there's no thing in the background. You can easily use this in any thumbnail or banner, etc. So let's generate something other than these movie characters. So I want to make a futuristic avatar. So let me give any prompt regarding it. So I have typed my prompt down and let's generate straight away. Alright, so the images regarding the futuristic avatar has been generated. So you can see the quality definitions of this picture. Alright, so let's try another example with a different model. So I'm going to be choosing Flux Schnell model from here, and I'm going to generate the same images with the Flux Schnell model. So there we can see the differences between these models. So let me click on 4 images and let's generate this. Alright, so the images have been generated after a quite while. This Flux Schnell model is the top-notch model out there, but the one simple drawback of this model is that it is time consuming. I mean, it took around 3 to 5 minutes to generate this picture, but as you can see, the waiting time was worthwhile. The images are generated and you can see the difference between the previous images and these images. I mean, these images are more detailed and colorful than the previous models. So let's download this image because it looks really good. Let me give you some more examples regarding this Flux AI Schnell model. The Flux Schnell model is a paid model in different AI tools, but thanks to PicLumen AI, you can use this model completely for free in PicLumen AI. Alright, so you can see these avatars. I mean, I'm really amazed and I'm really happy to see these kind of images. Just see the details of this picture. All of these pictures are really good and really astonishing. You can see the fire coming out of her hands in each picture because here in the prompt I mentioned it. Right, so we have covered the PicLumen Art 6. We have also discussed about Flux.1 Schnell. So let's now discuss about PicLumen Line Art 6. So as you can see, the line art word describes itself. It means you can draw different sketches with no background and no color. So let me just give you an example. So let's take the prompt from this picture and let's paste this picture so that you guys had an idea about how this PicLumen line art works. Let's generate this picture. So you can see, as I told you guys, that there will be no background color and no colorings involved. So you can see we have got these multiple sketches of Bruce Lee. So by now, I'm pretty much sure that you guys had an idea about how to use this AI tool to create different creativities. Alright, so let me give you another example regarding this new model, which is known as Pony Diffusion V6. Alright, so let me apply some settings over here. So this model is best if you have to create different cartoonic style characters or anime models. Alright, so as you can see, the cartoonic style dog pictures over here. The images are in a cartoonic style as I view them. So let me give you guys a last example of a 3D style cartoon. So over here I have typed down my prompt regarding Roman Reigns. So I want a 3D style cartoon regarding Roman Reigns. I'm going to be quickly selecting the Flux model and I'm going to be generating it straight away. Alright, so the 3D cartoonic character of Roman Reigns have been generated. You can see all of these pictures are really top notch. So by now you guys should have an idea how you can boost your creativity using this PicLumen AI. These images are in 3D style and as I view them, I'm really pleased with these cartoonic style images. So by now I bet you guys had an idea how to use this AI tool. There are many more things you can do with this AI tool. So did you learn anything out of this video? If you did, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and share it with your friends. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.